Hello students, today we will be solving the WBCS 2019 question paper. We will be solving question number 185 from the set A of the question paper. So in this question number 185, it has been given that in the following series, there has been a series that has been given over here. How many such odd numbers are there which are divisible by 3 or 5, then followed by odd numbers, and then also followed by even numbers? Okay, so as you can see, we have to find out odd numbers which are divisible by 3 or 5 and then followed by odd numbers, and also and that odd number should be followed by an even number. So basically, if you want to know the structure, so suppose there is a number 15, so 15 is an odd number, or 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. So if we have 15, then it should follow by an odd number. Suppose the odd number is 17, and this 17 should be followed by an even number, suppose 20. So this is the kind of criteria that we are trying to find it out. So this is the pattern that we are looking for here. Now let's start off with the first number. So 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, is it followed by but it is not an odd number. So first of all, let us cancel out all the even numbers. So even number 12 is cancelled out, then 18 is cancelled, 20 is cancelled, 22 is cancelled, then 46 cancel, 48 cancel, 50 cancel, 52 cancel, 54 cancel, and 56. These even odd numbers, even numbers we have cancelled out. Now we'll be focusing only on the odd numbers. So now 19. So 19, is 19 divisible by 3? It is not divisible by 3. Is 19 divisible by 5? It is not divisible by 5 as well. So 19 is also cancelled out. Now 21. 21 is divisible by 3. And is it followed by an odd number? Yes, it is followed by an odd number. And is it then followed by an even number? No, it is not. 25 is not an even number. It is an odd number. So 21 is also cancelled out. Now let's go to the number 3. Now 3 is divisible by 3. Is it followed by an odd number? Yes, it is followed by an odd number. And then even number? Yes, it is an even. 18 is an even number. So 3 is a correct option. Let's go on to the next option, which is 25. So is 25 divisible by 3 or 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. Is it followed by an odd number? No, it is not followed by an odd number. 18 is an even number. So this is also cancelled out. Now 35. 35 is 35 divisible by 5? Yes. Is it followed by an odd number? No, 20 is an even number. So 35 is also cancelled out. Now the next number we have is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. And is it followed by an odd number? 45 is an odd number. And then followed by an even number? Yes, it is followed by an even number. So 21 is another number that we can use over here. 45. So 45 is divisible by both 3 and 5. Okay. So 45, is it followed by an even number? No, it is. Is it followed by an odd number? No, it is not followed by an odd number. It is rather followed by an even number. So 45 is also cancelled out. 46 we have already cancelled out. 47. So 47, is it divisible by 3? 5 into 50, 45. No, it is not divisible by 3, also not divisible by 5. So 47 is also cancelled out. Now let us go to the number 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. But is it followed by an odd number? No, it is followed by an even number. 50 is an even number. So 9 is also cancelled out. So the last remaining number is 55. So 55 is divisible by 5. But it is not followed by an odd number. It is followed by an even number, 56. So 55 is also cancelled out. So ultimately we are left with only two numbers, 3 and 21 in this series, which satisfy the given criteria that we are looking for here. So as you can see, option C, which says that there are two numbers, is the only correct answer in this given question. Option C. So this is how you solve this question number 185. Now we'll be moving to the next question in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.